so glad I picked up this duster kit. It is really, truly an all-in-one kit that includes everything you need to do all of the cleaning and dusting around your house. It does come with a thing to get in between the blinds. My favorite attachments are the ones that you can add to the pole. Now, this handle or pole is very extendable. You just pull it out to extend it, and of course, then you can just push it back to contract it back. It did come with some microfiber cloths as well. Now, I love this for wiping down like my stainless steel appliances, some gloves, and then it did also come with an attachment that has microfiber as well. Now, some of these attachments are bendable, so you can put them in the correct angle that you need to clean everything, including getting on top of that ceiling fan where we know it just collects dust. And the best thing I love about this, other than the handle, all of the accessories do fit nicely in like a little bin to keep everything together. So if you're looking for a dusting kit, I highly recommend this one.